Hello, my pretties. It's Nerdy Witch here, and today we're doing a crochet video. So, in anticipation for my LASIK surgery, which I keep talking about, I decided that I wanted to crochet myself an eye mask. I watched a few people's recordings and vlogs of their journey, and they said that in the first, I don't know, like 12 hours, it was much more comforting to have their eyes closed. And the one girl was very adamant about wearing her sleep mask. So I am inspired. So this is what we are going to be making when it is all done. However, I have hodgepodge together a few patterns. So I am not going to do a time lapse of me creating the thing. I'm just going to show you stages on how to put it together once you've made each part from a different pattern. It's a Franken pattern, if you will. So we're going to start with the base shape of the mask, and I'm going to provide the pattern in the comments below, and you want to make just the mask part. Ignore everything else. It is part 3, and when you are all done, it should look like this. Okay, so this is the mask complete from the pattern. I do not want to make the aviator goggles. I want to find a different applique, and before I try to put any more embellishments on this, I need to pick out my applique. And this one is very simple. It's single crochet with an increase and a decrease, and then you just go all the way around. It only takes about 10 to 20 minutes depending on how fast of a crocheter you are. Very simple. Beginners, most definitely. So let's pick out an applique to put on top of this. Donut bottom applique done. Second donut applique beginning done. Two donuts frosted. I sewed in all the ends and I put this little detail on the tie because I didn't like the way it was sitting. And then I have simply attached the donuts and sewed in all the ends. Let's try this on. Okay, I'm all done. Clearly I have lost all my daylight, and this is a one-day project. And it would have been a lot faster if I didn't have to stop and make dinner and baby stuff. And yeah, so let me try this on for you. Okay. I don't know, blonde. There we go. The I Do Not Care sleeping mask. Huh? I love puns. So hopefully this will help me with my eye surgery. I'm going to find the one girl's video that inspired me to make this sleeping mask from her LASIK video. I plan on recording my LASIK. It's going to be my next video. It's about 2 days away. I know I want a little extra on my sleep mask. I had really intended just to do something really simple and then attach the donuts. Then I got like really deep into this edging, and then the edging was causing this to ruche up, so I had to put this extra border on, and then I just went extra, which is good because I have really bad anxiety. So me sitting around waiting for a surgery for 2 days. Anywho, if there's anything you'd like me to make next, please comment down below. Tell me if I went too far. Doesn't matter. I trust your guys' judgment at this point. Be honest, be reals, and I will take it all with a grain of salt. If you want to see a lovely photograph of me wearing the I Do Not Care sleep mask, check me out on Instagram. It is nerdy_witch. Also, I have a Twitter. I never am going to get that right. It is permanently Twitter. Is @witchnerdy. Yeah, @witchnerdy. Also, if you'd like to know when a new video is coming out, please hit the notification bell. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that I can make more fun, exciting things for you. I'm still trying to decide how I like best doing these crochet videos because I feel like it's really redundant to watch you guys make you guys watch me follow an exact pattern. I feel like it was better just to record when I changed something or if I had a little tip or a trick. So see if this goes any better than some of my other crochet videos. Thanks again for watching. I want you to take care as always, and bye, witches. I'm gonna get me some sleep.